Round package of bees. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pop these boards off, lay it there and save it. There's a queen in here. There's aluminum strip that holds the queen down, and there's a can of syrup in there. Now what I'll do is I'll take this sprayer, and you can use just a regular sprayer and spray the bees a little bit. And I knock them down and I spray the tops of them. That helps keep them from flying. It puts their wings a little bit. Pop the can of syrup out. Put that back over the top so they can't get out. And there's our queen. The queen in this one was dead. I'm going to replace her with a different queen. There's our queen with a live queen. There's a candy end, and then there's a cork in the candy end. You take a hive tool, nail or something, and pop the cork out like that, and you got candy in the end of it. Then we're going to take that thing, that piece of aluminum, put on there and staple it on the side like that. Now we're going to take this over here to the hive. Grab a stapler, and I'm going to put it in there just like that, down below the top bar, fold it over, and just put a little bit of a staple in it just to hold it in place, and then slide it together like that. Then I'll put this one over here, drop that frame back in, hive tool here, and then I center my frames up just like that. Now we've got our package of bees here. I knock them back down one more time. I just throw it right over the top. That goes right over the top of the queen cage. Throw that on. Top and my inner cover on. That's all there is to it.